Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Mattermost, a secure collaboration suite, on Linux. To begin, launch the terminal and run sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Next, we'll use apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages, followed by another apt-install to install the Postgres database. We'll make sure the Postgres service is started and enabled. Then connect to the database using the psql command line interface. Using psql commands, we'll create a Mattermost database user as well as the database to use for our application. Then we'll exit the psql interface. Next, we'll create a Mattermost Linux user account and set the home directory to apt-Mattermost. Then using makedir, we'll make sure that directory exists. We'll set ownership to the new home directory, then switch to the Mattermost account. Using regular expression, we'll look up the download URL for the latest release of Mattermost. Then using wget, we'll download the latest release. Once the download completes, we'll extract the downloaded file to the apt-Mattermost directory. Using the cp command, we'll create a copy of the config.json file. Then we'll edit the original in nano. Update the site URL. Then scroll down to the SQL settings section and update the data source with the username and password to your Postgres database. Save the changes and close out of Nano. Next, we'll exit out of the Mattermost user shell. Then create a service file for Mattermost and edit it in the Nano editor. Copy the service configuration from the video description, then save the changes and close out of Nano. We'll reload the system daemons, then start and enable the Mattermost service we just created. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :8065. Click the View in Browser button. Complete the form to create an account by entering email address, username, and password. Enter an organization name. Then select the tools you use or click Skip. Then finish setup. Welcome to Mattermost, running natively on your Linux device.